Alright, so an AI-powered can glow-in-the-dark healer wristwatch? Apparently it can glow colors, is learning your mood according to your schedule, healing you with mood-adjusting colors, and supporting your health throughout the day. So, as we can see, using this AI watch makes you big league efficient by leveraging the use of time.
Client's words, not mine.
The campaign must emphasize the endlessness of time and our connection to timeless things. This is targeted at everyone. Slogan, time is forever.
Thank you, Jen, for the recap. Colleagues, give it to me.
Oh, yeah.
Bob, be a dear and pass me the bluefin tuna nigiris.
So I was thinking a forest, a girl, a plus size, wearing a flowy summer dress.
Oh, I love summer dresses. Maybe a wasabi green type of dress.
Yeah, whatever. So she's in the forest, trees, time, she's floating.
Maybe she's like on a color-changing hoverboard.
Yeah. Suddenly, cavemen coming at her. She offers them the wristwatch. She is their personal Prometheus, bringing time. They start to evolve and become modern people in the forest. Forests, time, forever.
I was thinking more like a highway in a desert, a man on a motorcycle.
Like killing the hurdles of time type of man?
Yes.
This wasabi is great, by the way.
He stops to watch the sunset. He checks the watch. He's confident. Sun time, they are forever.
Does the watch glow with the mood?
It said it can.
Then his girlfriend brings him a glow-in-the-dark lemonade. She wears a bunny rubber mask. They start laughing. The lemonade gets bigger and brighter. It illuminates everything, but they are not scared. They are forever. Time is forever.
I thought he was in a desert alone.
You know hourglasses?
Yes.
Yes.
So, an old couple, hourglasses. Suddenly the wristwatch hovers over them.
What?
Can I? They immediately get it. They become younger and younger.
Go on.
As they are all young and sexy and golden. Can we have a little adult action scene? I think that will be a great way of showing how young they are. And then, boom, an eye-powered can glow-in-the-dark healer wristwatch, because time is forever.
Okay, but I want to know how you see the brand coming out with this ad.
Mrs. Patricia,
Make it fast, Jen. We're onto something here.
sending you a link. Put it on the screen. Jeez Louise.
Whoop, that's me. You guys are loving the sushi.
Forget what time it is. Get your own time. No need to worry about morning productivity. Time hacking is for the weak. Time is a concept. Own your time. AI-powered individual time-defining eyewear. See the part of the day you want, whenever you want it. Time is a concept.
Yeah.
I'm not crying, it's just wasabi in my eyes.